Hello guys, Judy Ann here from justit8.com, and today we're going to show you how to make kimchi udon and some pot stickers.
Yeah.
I have 2 cups of water boiling in the pot, and I have tofu in there. Now I like firm tofu. Now you could put in any kind of tofu you'd like or any kind of protein, but I like firm tofu. And now we're going to put in the Japanese tsuyu. It's a soy sauce soup base into your udon. Now it is kimchi udon that we're going to be making, and so we're just putting like 1 tablespoon versus the traditional udon. You would need to put in at least 2.5 tablespoons of tsuyu. But today we're focusing on how to make kimchi udon, and so we'll show you how to make traditional udon another day. So let's go back to the other pot. So it's boiling a while now, so we're going to put in my favorite frozen udon packet into the pot, and at the same time I'm going to heat up my pan to cook up my frozen pork gyozas. Comment down below to let us know what kind of gyozas do you like. And so we're going to go ahead and let our udon boil with the noodles, and at the same time we're going to heat up our pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and cook up a dozen of gyozas, pot stickers, dumplings. What else do you call them? I think I call them gyozas. That's the Japanese term. And then I think in English it's pot stickers. And then just overall Asian fusion, we all call them dumplings, right? Yeah. All right. And so we're going to go ahead and stir up the udon. We're going to let it cook some more and position the dumplings. Now, one of my favorite parts is putting in the wakame, dried seaweed. Seaweed that you would put normally in miso soup and a lot of Japanese soups, actually. I'm going to put a pinch in kimchi udon, as well as I like a lot of wakame since it has a lot of vitamins. So I put in 1 tablespoon and let it stir, stir, stir. There are different ways to eat seaweed, and dried seaweed that is put in miso soup and or any kind of soups. They're usually dried and then you let it sit in hot boiling water and they eventually expand. So we're going to go ahead and let that happen while we put 2 tablespoons of water for our dumplings. As soon as you drop the water, make sure to put the lid because it gets really pudgy. My own personal rule of thumb to know when udon is almost finished and or it's getting done is when the actual noodles itself is turning to the same color as my broth. That's the perfect time to crack an egg if you like to have egg in your soup. Oh boy. Okay. Ready? I just toss it in here. Come, see. Every now and then you want to check up on your dumplings and flip it every now and then. Now, I personally think this stage right now is opaque and cooked and it's fine. But if you want to go crunchier, then we're going to leave it in there a little bit longer. Now it's time for the kimchi. So the egg is actually still poaching, and I kind of like it well poached. And so that's why the egg is still boiling away in my soup. But as I'm trying to have my kimchi open, I'm actually having a hard time opening it because what is kimchi? It's fermented cabbage, and so sometimes the actual package itself, you know, it's just like a pickling jar. So that's why I had a little bit of a struggle there.
Okay. So now I'm going to add
half a jar. Actually, I'd say quarter of a jar of the kimchi here. But I'm going to pour the juices and plenty of vegetables and stir it up pretty good.
And now we're going to add fish cake. Alright, so these are already pre-sliced. I sliced them already. Come.
The Japanese fish cakes are known to be kamaboko, and it's in a lot of soups like ramen and udons. And if you're an anime fan, Naruto loves kamaboko. And adding kamaboko fish cakes sometimes sweeten the udon broth a little more.
You want it that crunchy?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you heard him. Luis likes it extra crunchy, so we're going to go ahead and brown the other side. But after browning the other side for a couple more minutes, I'd say they're done. Bon appetit and itadakimasu, and let's eat.
Here's the pot sticker. Super crunchy, the way I like it. I have to be honest, I already had one, you know, in between, like putting them on the plate and putting it on my bowl. And now for the kimchi udon. Can you see the steam? Ooh. Spicy. With some tofu and my fish cake. Some wakame, seaweed. Hopefully you give this a try. I'm gonna eat some more of my soup because it's good. And a good day like this, you want to have, when it's cold day like this, it's good to have hot kimchi udon noodles. Yep. Yep. Maybe we'll see you in that video. Click on that one. Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. We'll see you in the next video.